And we are doing page 1015, question 5. So we have to add in question 5a p plus q. And they say p is 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're adding it to q, which is 1 minus 7 minus 2 and 0. Okay, 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus minus 7 would turn out to be 4. Take away 7. Go for your elevator ride. Did you get minus 3? Right, 4 take away 7 should be minus 3. Yes? 5 plus minus 2 will turn into 5 minus 2, which gives you 3. 6 plus 0 is 6. That's your answer there for A. Moving on for B now. B minus Q. So P is 3, 4, 5, 6. We now have a takeaway sign, and Q is 1 minus 7 minus 2, 0. 3 take away 1 is 2. 4 take away minus 7 turns into 4, add 7, which will be 11. 5 minus minus 2 turns into 5, add 2, which is 7. 6 take away 0 is 6. Q minus P. Part C is Q minus P. So now Q was 1 minus 7 minus 2, 0. Now put the takeaway sign, and P would be 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 take away 3 would be minus 2. Minus 7 minus 4 would be go down and go down 4. Minus 11. Minus 2 minus 5 means go down 2, then go down 5. You'll be at minus 7. 0 minus 6 is minus 6. Okay. Moving on. We have question 6 to do. Question 6. P plus Q, and P now is 3 minus 4, 7, 6. We're adding it to Q, and Q would be minus 2, 1, 0, 5. Adding this 3, add minus 2, take away 2, which is 1. Minus 4, add 1. Go for elevator right down 4, and then go up 1. You'll be at minus 3. 7 add 0 is 7. 6 add 5, 11. This was part A. Part B will be P minus Q. P minus Q. So P would be 3 minus 4, 7, 6 minus And Q is minus 2, 1, 0, 5. Okay. 3 take away minus 2 turns into 3 add 2, which is 5. Minus 4 minus 1 means go down 4, then go down 1. We'll be at minus 5. 7 take away 0 is 7. 6 take away 5 is 1. That is. Yes. Anything? Any comments? Anything? Any questions? We good?
Yeah, so we're good, sir.
Okay. Next, we're supposed to do question 1 and 2 of the next page. So we're on page 1016 and we're doing question 1. We have to find out half of A. Half of A and do it. So I'm writing down what A is. A is 2 minus 3, 4, and 1. So then you use your fraction button on your calculator if you want. Half times 2 is 1. Half times minus 3 is, you could either write it minus 1.5, or you could write it as minus 3 over 2. You could write it either way, either as an improper fraction or as a mixed number. It will still be correct. Half times 4 is 2. Half times 1 is a half. So this would be your answer. Now in matrices, as you realize here, I wrote my fraction as an improper fraction, highlighting it there. You see, a lot of times in matrices, we do that. It is more convenient to leave it as an improper fraction, and even the textbook would give you answers like an improper fraction instead. So you could also write it as the 1 minus 1.5, 2.5. There. You could have written it like that if you wanted.
So I put mine as a decimal, sir.
Right, and that also could work. You could have had 1 minus 1.5.
I have the same one for that, a decimal.
So all this is acceptable answers, right? And what I'm saying here, you'll realize that although we have all these different versions, sometimes the improper fraction weirdly is strange enough, that's what they're using for the matrices. And there's a reason why, because improper fractions were really invented to be used for calculations. And if you have to use this number for further calculation, this you might have to change the negative 1.5 back to that to continue a further calculation. And we would usually not use the decimals because sometimes the decimals does end up with some big long set of digits. So that's the reasoning why you would notice that textbooks would have their answer in this format. But you can't go wrong. Any one of these will give you full marks. Okay. Now we go on to B. This was A. So now we go on to B. B is 3B. And that means the 3 on the outside of the brackets. And the B is minus 1, 5, 7, 3. 3 times minus 1. Okay, so I'll kind of 3 times minus 1 is minus 3. 3 times 5, 15. 3 times 7, 21. 3 times 3 is 9. Next one is C. I think I'll go to a new page for that, since it might be a bit of writing. Part C was 2A plus B. And things like this sometimes might come in CXC. One like this. So we will then put it as 2, and A was the matrix 2 minus 3, 4, 1. And we add in that to B. B was minus 1, 5, 7, 3. Okay then. So now, the first thing we do is we work out this piece here. Think about it like terms. Terms are separated by a plus or minus sign. So this here is one big crapo term. And this is another little crapo term. Okay, let's work out this part first. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times minus 3 is minus 6. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 1 is 2. So we end up with that, and we bring down the other one. Minus 1, 5, 7, 3. We could add it now. 4 add minus 1 turns out to be 4. Take away 1, which is 3. Minus 6 add 5. You go down 6, then you go up 5. Minus 1. 8 add 7, 15. 2 plus 3 is 5. Question 2. We have 2, part A. We just had to work out 3A, which will be 3, and A is 5, 3, 2, 1. 5, 3, 2, 1. 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 times 1 is 3. We have 2B to work out. That's part B. 2B is equal to 2. B is 4 minus 2 and 1 and 3. Okay. 2 4s are 8. 2 times minus 2 is minus 4. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. I find when students learn matrices, it gives them an opportunity to strengthen their skills in positive and negative numbers, adding them and timesing them. It even gives them some strength in fractions as well. And just wonder why they leave that all the way till Form 5 to then strengthen your skills in it. If matrices do strengthen your skills in it, should teach it to you way before. You'll be surprised how good you'll get at it. The same old work which you was fumbling in Form 4 now is baby stuff. 3A. 3 times A is 5, 3, 2, 1. Minus 2B. And B was 4 minus 2, 1, 3. Good. We work out this piece and come down with it. And we will have to work out this piece. You remember how we used to say that minus sign belongs to the 2. So don't forget it's a minus 2 times in by those things. Okay. 3 by 5 is 15. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 twos are 6. 3 ones are 3. All right. In fact, that was the same answer from part A. We could have just write it down. Next, let's go carefully here. Minus 2 times 4. Oh, I think I had make a problem here. I think I will have to leave that minus out. Because if I multiply that minus 2 to everything inside, I will have to change it to a plus here. Okay. Let's try it this way. If I try it this way instead, I could keep the minus here and bring down the rest. If I work out the entire thing, I'll have to assume it is plus here. So I'm actually leaving out the minus sign. I'm going to work out this alone. Both ways will give you the same answer. Let's see here now. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times minus 2 is minus 4. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Now we'll work it out and see. 15 take away 8 is 7. 9 take away minus 4 turns out to be 9 add 4, which is 13. 6 take away 2 is 4. 3 take away 6 would be go up 3, then go down 6, minus 3. This is your answer.